Hello and welcome back to another episode of Earth to Rocco. We've made a vegan queso on this channel before, but I'm going to show you a much easier version today. Usually I like to make a really big batch of this and snack on it all week long. You can refrigerate this for up to a week and use it for things like nachos. You can use it as a side dip, on top of pizza, mac and cheese. There's all kinds of ways that you can use this queso. So let me show you just how easy and cheesy this recipe is. In this bowl, I have some cashews and garlic that I boiled on the stove for about 15 minutes. This is an alternative to soaking them overnight. The garlic really doesn't have to be boiled or soaked, but I like to do it because it'll blend easier. So now we're just gonna put it in a blender. We'll put some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of tomato paste, lemon juice, nutritional yeast to give it the cheddar-y flavor. Here I have some pickled jalapenos and I kept some of the brine to give the queso some tang. I'm using some tapioca starch to give our queso a gooey texture. If you don't have tapioca starch, you don't need to use it, but I would highly recommend it. I'm gonna be putting quite a few spices in here, but you can mix this up whatever way you want. You can even keep it a lot more simple and don't have to put all these ingredients inside. So I'm gonna start with some ground cumin.
Why are there no dad queso jokes?
Why?
Because they're too cheesy.
Okay. Some smoked paprika, chili powder, chipotle seasoning, cayenne pepper, some salt, onion powder, and some turmeric to give it that yellowy cheesy color. I'm starting with 3/4 of a cup of hot water to emulsify the queso. As I'm blending it, if I see if it's too thick, I'll add some more. Now blend away. So I blended this for about 2 minutes just to make sure it was nice and smooth. Let's give it a taste test. The great thing about using the hot water and the warm cashews is that it's nice and hot already. Perfecto. Oh, it's spicy. Ooh. Put a lot of cayenne pepper. I like it. See how simple that was? All the ingredients in a blender and just a few minutes of your time. Now we're ready to serve it and enjoy. This is the best vegan queso recipe ever. Serve it at your next party and no one will be disappointed. Thank you for joining me in creating this incredibly simple vegan cashew queso. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earthtorocco.com for the ingredients and instructions for today's cashew queso and much more snack recipes. Buen provecho!